Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Today we're going to attack this Masterlock 570 orange level belt lock with some multi-pick tools out of the 27-piece Christina Palmer set. I'm going to use one of these curved picks right there and the turner. Show you the tools we're going to use here. Alright, well, let's see if we can get in this. As you know, I got some fancy bracelets on here, so it could make it a little trickier, but I think we'll be able to get at it here. A little click there. Just drop some there. There we go. Nice set on that one. Counter rotation. Wonder if I overset something. Let's try to redo this. May have went a little too far with one of them. Of course, I just did this a second ago with the camera not rolling and got right into it. That's how it always goes, though, right? Aha! There it is. Took a little longer than expected, but got her open. Multi-pick slays the Masterlock 570. Alright, well, if you guys like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll put a link below for this tool set if you guys want to check it out. Go give them some support and some love. Great company, great tools, great cases, just really good quality. Everything's well made. Till next time, have a good one.